We're gonna play the wheel of genre. Rules are pretty simple. Spin the wheel. Gotta produce a song in that genre. I put in a bunch of random genres and we're gonna pick. Drum and bass. Damn, well, we picked a genre that I've never made a song in before. Literally ever. So this is gonna be, this is gonna be a huge experiment. I know very little about synths. I know very little about electronic music in general. Let's see how it goes. The like one reference of drum and bass I have is like Hood by Kneecap. Let's get a basic drum sound here. I love that Ludwig like high pitch that. Let's tune it up a tiny bit. The combo of those two are sounding kind of cool. All right, let's work on the arrangement a little bit. Intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and repeat. What I like about drum and bass from having been producing it for 10 minutes, I like that the drums don't have to be exact. Like you can put in weird cymbal stuff and have hi-hat stuff going at the same time because it's electronic drums, so it doesn't have to like be real, you know what I mean? All right, let's do some bass. I kind of want the same vague melody going throughout the track, and so I'm just gonna play around with the rhythm. I'm gonna have the verse be really kind of staccato, and then the chorus I want it to be like flowing, since you have those rides going. Also, not sure what to do for guitar here. Let's just get a sound. Double them, pan them. Let's just do another track of guitars. Pick a different sound for these ones. I can play bass, I can play guitar. Keyboard. All right, we got some sounds in place here. We need some sort of pad in the background there just to kind of fill in those gaps. All right, let's make a bridge. Double chorus. All right, we gotta do some vocals. I have no lyrics, obviously, because I haven't written a song yet. I was reading the news today, and just in my head started playing like, there's something in the water, something. I was like, that's not the type of line I would normally use in a song, but I literally never made drum and bass before. So that's why I think there's something in the water could be a really sick chorus or pre-chorus. It's a catchy line, so I'm gonna track that and then just see what we can build around it. There's something in the water, something. And then let's do a call and response to that. Something in the water. Also, when I'm tracking quick like this, I just throw on presets. I'm not trying to like go and like really mix it in. I just want to get the sound in place. I feel like it's easy to get caught up in the sounds of things. Spend that time in post. Spend that time when you're mixing, when you're all jacked up on caffeine and you just want to sit there and just fuck with sounds for a while. Face to face, dry. There's something in the water, something. All right, so maybe because that line is like pretty repetitive, I don't want people to be like, oh, that's fucking annoying. But I think it's a sick line. Let's use it for the pre-chorus and also the first line of the chorus. So you have that pre-chorus. There's something in the water, something. There's something in the water, something. There's something in the water, and I say, you know what I mean? Lyrics are the worst or best part of writing a song. There's something in the water, something. The vultures up above and the wolves are hunting. Could be a sick chorus, could be a really fucking dumb chorus, but we're writing on YouTube, so we don't have time to really think about it. There are vultures up above. That's a tough one to say. Why? Now let's make that pre-chorus like quiet. Let's get some lyrics put in here. So now these are pretty dumb lyrics. They're pretty fucking stupid, I'll give it that. But so I tried to make them vague, I try to make it vaguely conspiratorial. Don't trust the government, they're hiding something, chemtrails, something in the water. Make the song for 22-year-olds, you know what I mean? 22-year-olds get jacked up on that stuff. That's a joke. It's a joke, but it's kind of funny. Anyway, yeah, let's get these recorded.
Dead dreams, blending in a technicolor stream. Pacify the masses with the fabricated scheme. Science bandits with the shadows arranged. Now they're gunning for the door with the key in the drain.
Alright, I did not write a bridge, so we're just gonna do one line that we're just gonna repeat and kind of build up. Going off the top of my head, using these words. Keep your head low. Pull the floodgates. I don't know. Sounds cool.
Pull the floodgates. Keep your head low. Pull the floodgates. Keep your head low. Pull the floodgates.
Just so that's not too monotonous, we're gonna like layer on some shit.
Pull the floodgates. Keep your head low. Pull the floodgates. There's something in the water. There's something in the water. There's something in the water.
And then we don't need that pre-chorus there. Let us cut that pre-chorus. Woo! That's it. I don't listen to drum and bass. I think it's a cool genre. I just have never really gotten into it. So I feel like that came out good for someone who knows nothing about the genre. However, every time I see like jazz musician tries to play metal, it like never comes out good. So I'm sure that two people that actually listen to drum and bass, this is probably going to be like that. Now, I know there's a lot more stuff we can do with production with this, specifically in the drums, getting the drum tones right. However, this is my spin on it. I'm just kidding. For real though, this is kind of just like, the thing about playing genres you don't normally play, you are going to inevitably put your own touch on it. That could end up being really cool. This one, yeah, this is kind of cool. It's fun. It's nothing like I've ever written before. So I don't know, it's definitely a good experiment. I like doing this style of genre wheel video, so I want to keep them coming. Let me know how I can improve my drum and bass production. If you've got any good drum and bass artists, put them in the comments, because I like the genre, I just don't listen to it. It's definitely like punk adjacent, but I've never listened to anything electronic. I mean, I've heard, but you know what I mean. I know like DJ Traumatic, and that's it. Catch you in the next one.